Hey, it's Sasha and Stephanie, your Travel S girls, and we're a holiday trading company. We love planning holidays, we love going on holidays, and we love packing for holidays. So we're going to show you today how we're using Holiday's new collection. Holiday was the result of a global journey, and it's all about the essence of travel and discovery. And these clothes are perfect. They're very famous resort wear clothes within Australia. And we're going to show you 15 different items, and we're going to pack them into 2 packing cubes into a carry-on for at least 2 weeks away.
And I think we'll have over 20 different outfits by the time we finish packing. So
Absolutely.
show you how we go. So it's a lovely dress.
So most of the clothes we roll, we find these are linen dresses, some of these, and it just helps with the creasing, and also it makes it easy to pack straight into the cubes.
We've got a linen tank top.
With some shorts.
So lots of mixing and matching here.
We would recommend taking 3 tops to every bottom. Tops obviously get a bit dirtier and sweatier and so on, and perhaps you might spill on them. So it's a good 3-to-1 rule if you can remember that.
And the thing about packing is, you know, at home, you never end up wearing 5 different outfits in a week. You probably end up wearing 3, or you mix and match, and then all of a sudden we go on holidays and we think, no, I have to have 2 different outfits a day, which I think, you know, sometimes it is nice to have a different outfit for, you know, each end of the day, but this way you can also do the mix and match and not have to have, you know, 40 items and really condense it down.
Absolutely, and you can layer, so we've got some dresses, and you might just want to layer, say, a linen top over the top of one of those as well.
Yep, change the look.
Some longer pants, they're always handy for evenings or mornings, especially if you're out and about and there's a bit of a breeze.
I've also just packed a really thin pair of jeans.
And this beautiful top comes in a range of dresses as well, which we may or may not have each ordered. Great dress, and you can use a cardigan over the top, or you could add a linen shirt or anything else as well. It flows really easily. That's what we love about holidays, that it's unstructured. Go with the flow, take it easy, and all of these clothes match that philosophy perfectly for holidays. Don't forget the bathers. These clothes have all got the tags on them, so it's a little bit more difficult to pack, but still very manageable. So we suggest zipping it around, getting to the top, giving it a little shake, and in this space on the top here, before I zip it up, is where I would add the smalls. And then continue with that, and we've got 2 packing cubes with 15 items of clothing, well over 20 outfits. We can easily do 3 weeks away with this, just into a carry-on bag that we've got here. And into the carry-on we can add some shoes. So with the shoes that we're wearing, that will be 3 pairs of shoes. The packing cubes in. Some toiletries. And there's plenty of room in here, as you can still see, to add anything else that you might need, your chargers and adapters and anything else. Lots of room in that bag. That's a regulation carry-on. Take your hat. If you don't want to wear it on the plane, that can fit in the bag as well. Pop a few items in there and you're good to go. So we love holidays, we love planning holidays. Packing cubes are going to make all the difference. 2 cubes, 2 to 3 weeks away.